Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry by Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. Today we are going to see the tolerance test. This test is a qualitative test to differentiate between aldehyde and ketone. We'll see further the procedure of the test, principle of the test, requirements, how to prepare the tolerance reagent, and what is its significance. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and you can press the bell button so that you will get all the notifications for uploaded video. So first, this test is known as silver mirror test. Why we are calling silver mirror test? At the end of the test, if your test result will be positive, on the glass test tube where we are going to perform the test, you can see a layer of silver. So that will looks like a mirror. So that's why we are calling it silver mirror test. Second thing is, this test you can differentiate between aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde is in this test we are going to use very mild oxidizing agent. So as we are going to use mild oxidizing agent, so which can oxidize only aldehyde. To oxidize ketone we require a strong oxidizing agent, and we don't have this strong oxidizing agent. So this test gives only positive for aldehyde, not for ketone. So ketone gives you the negative test. So this is the reason, as aldehyde are very easily oxidized compared to the ketone, because of mild oxidizing agent can only work on aldehyde. So in this test, wherever we are having aldehyde in the test samples, so this aldehyde is going to be oxidized by silver one ion, silver plus ion. So silver plus ion will be converted to metallic silvers, and aldehyde, whenever you are going to oxidize aldehyde, it will be converted into carboxylic acid. So this silver plus one ion converted into metallic silver, which will be present on the as a coat on the glass surface. So that will looks like a glass vessel, means mirror type of appearance it will give you. So that's why we are calling it silver mirror test. This is the reactions. In here we are having aldehyde. This is almost equal to glucose. So in case of glucose, this CH3 will be replaced by remaining other carbons. This is aldehyde group. This aldehyde group reacts with silver plus one ion in the presence of alkaline solutions. This silver will be converted into metallic silver. So this plus one will be go to zero oxidation states. So that is metallic. So it is going to be reduced, and this aldehyde is going to be oxidized into COOH group, so that is acid. In this test we require test sample, dry test tubes, dry and clean test tubes, pipette, water bath or burner. Burner not necessarily we require, but if reaction will not give you positive test very efficiently, you can heat it, mild heat it, so that you will get the positive result. Then we require a Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent is nothing, it is a ammoniated silver nitrate. So in this ammoniated silver nitrate means ammonia will be coordinated with silver, or silver will be coordinated with 2 molecules of ammonia. What is the requirement of this reagent is, we require silver 0.2 molar silver nitrate, that is of 2 ml, then few drop of silver hydroxide, that is of 3 molar, and then ammonia, maximum ammonia we require 3 ml. Final volume of all the mixture will be made 10 ml with the mixing of water. How we are going to prepare the reagent, that we are going to see it now. This reagent preparation occurs in 2 steps. So in the first step, we are going to mix 2 ml of 0.2 molar silver nitrate solution and a few drop of 3 molar sodium hydroxide. This ammonium silver nitrate reacts with sodium hydroxide, gives you silver hydroxide plus HNO3. Sorry, this should be HNO3, not NH3. Then this ammonium hydroxide AgOH, 2 molecules, will give you Ag2O, silver oxide and water. In the second step, we are going to add 2.8% ammonia dropwise into this silver oxide. So this silver oxide will be reacts with ammonia. So we will get ammoniated silver, and this OH will be oxygen will be getting in the form of OH. Don't use more than 3 ml of ammonia in any case. Final volume should be 10 ml with the water. This is how you are going to prepare the reagent. So you have to add ammonia till this Ag2O is going to be completely dissolved. How this is the principle of the test is, this test is based on the reduction of silver plus 1 ion into the metallic silver, and correspondingly aldehyde will be oxidized to carboxylic acid. So aldehyde has a property to reduce silver ion or to metallic silver. How we are going to perform the test? Add 1 drop of unknown sample, 1 ml of freshly prepared Tollens reagent, and if the reaction does not takes place, you can mild heat it. So you will get the positive result. After the at the end of the test, if your sample is going to give you a positive test, you can get this type of result. So it look like silver, so and mirror. So this is positive result, and this is negative result. So aldehyde will give you the positive result. Aldehyde in any case, anywhere, it will give you a positive test. Ketone, almost all the cases it will give you the negative result. So you can differentiate between aldehyde and ketone, except in the case of alpha hydroxyketone. So only alpha hydroxyketone gives you positive result like aldehyde. Any other ketones does not give you positive test. So some points you need to remember that aldehyde are very easily going to give you the test, but not the ketones. Test given by all the aldehydes, like it will be normal aliphatic aldehyde, aromatic aldehydes, alpha hydroxyketone, just now we have seen it, formic acid, or hemiacetal. Hemiacetal is nothing, it is when aldehyde reacts with alcohol, it gives you hemiacetal. When ketone reacts with alcohol, it gives you hemiketal. So hemiacetal will give the positive result. The test tube must be clean and oil free, so that silver mirror will be observed, otherwise silver mirror will not form. So hope you have understand this test. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.